This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. No detail overlooked in this stunning 4-bed/1.75 BTH bungalow in fantastic location. A true heirloom restoration. Remarkable craftsmanship, custom, handcrafted mantel surrounds gas fireplace in living room, restored original hardwood floors, beautiful trim work and built-in/window seat. Brand new, light and bright and elegant ktchn. Main floor master, archways, fenced backyard west/garden space. Character abounds must see. New wiring, plumbing, roof, interior/exed paint, carpet upstairs and ductless heat with AC. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206 406 63.